You can come back from anything. It's all about your mindset. Life has a way of testing us. Sometimes it's a setback in business. Sometimes it's financial stress. Sometimes it's a missed opportunity, a failed venture, or a season where nothing seems to go your way. But here's the truth. Your circumstances do not define your future. Your mindset does. The people who succeed aren't the ones who never face challenges. They're the ones who refuse to stay down when challenges show up. They understand that every setback carries a lesson, every obstacle builds strength, and every disappointment creates an opportunity for a comeback. Your greatest asset isn't your bank account, your education, or even your experience. It's your ability to believe in yourself when others don't. It's your willingness to keep moving forward when quitting seems easier. The difference between those who achieve extraordinary results and those who settle for average isn't talent, it's persistence, it's resilience, it's the decision to focus on possibilities instead of problems. If you're tired of feeling like someone else controls your future, maybe it's time to make a different choice. Maybe it's time to stop trading your time for money and start building something that can create long-term financial freedom. At TruPowur, we're helping people from all walks of life create a business that generates compounding residual income by helping customers save money on electricity and natural gas. No matter where you've been, what mistakes you've made, or what challenges you've faced, your next chapter can be better than your last. Remember, your comeback story starts the moment you decide that your past will not determine your future. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a seven-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day: energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.